Shop Outside. We back with another video for y'all today, man. And today we about to be heading out to finally get our exhaust tips put on. We got the diffuser on, we got the spoiler on. Now we just need the exhaust tips, like I've been saying in my last couple of videos. We're still undecided on whether I'm gonna go with like 4-inch or 5-inch, but everybody keeps saying go 5-inch, so you know that's probably what we're gonna do. Y'all see it's raining as always. It's been raining for like 2-3 days now. We got a whole bunch of tornadoes and all type of crazy stuff going on last night. But yes, sir, here we are. We pulling up to Mo's shop, man. We got another charger on the way out. Let me get out and go in here and talk to him real quick. Bro, I hate this, bro. I can't wait to change this. Cause this shit right here, it's gotta go. And then we're gonna have to get a new bezel around here. We're gonna add the steering wheel buttons. And then this is really the last thing left, letting you know it's a Pursuit. Besides, you know, no actual grab handles back there, but we're gonna go ahead and swap those out. We got a Pursuit right there, Caprice. We got the car up here on the lift. Y'all see? We got some exhaust tips picked out, so we about to get this looking right, man. I can't wait. And shout out to my boy Mo down at Wayne Tire and Auto. Hey, check them out, man. Everybody know about them on the East, though. You know, we waiting on bro. We got our Dunkin'. We gonna sit back, relax, man, and we just gonna watch the progress get done.
I swear I'm trying to change my life, but end up back up in these streets. With my back against the wall, and a hammer in my reach. Keep a Hemi in my car, we see the law, you hear it screech. I never ran from shit for love and the police. Run it off, you touch one of us, just know we jumping shit like double dutch. I made 20 racks off 20 bucks, little bitch, my hustler. Keep my burner tuck up, this bitch and bust it if you acting tough as fuck. Say he ain't heard of us, he must be perfect or he dumb as fuck. One-on-one ain't nothing like me. Smoother than a smoothie with 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream. Shoulder moving with a little Uzi out the van. Asking us if all his friends are dead. Shit, they might jam. 6'1" with a big gun, trying to knock shit down like bowling pins. Get cash, you ain't gotta ask if I'ma get a bag, bitch, you know it is. Out the gutter like a bowling ball. Foreign plug, so you know it's wrong. I ain't had shit my whole life, now I got it, baby. I'm showing.
Just like that, man.
Seeing your videos, bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
I seen the one where them niggas followed you. They pulled out the alley and shit.
Oh, yeah, police, yeah, bro. Niggas be lurking, bro. I be like, damn.
They see that motherfucking charger. They be like, oh yeah,
We got us, boys. I bought this old ass one for no reason. I thought it was gonna put me under the radar, bro. Hell no.
Nah, it's the name. It's just the name.
Dealing with depression with no health insurance. That mean we self-medicated by getting faded. Brody got a felony, but he still keep it daily. Rather get caught with it than without it, nigga, that's on baby. System banging in an old Impala. Having Maybach dreams while we smoke that weed. Got a lot on my mind, but I don't say it.
Hell yeah. Way better.
I just gotta put the hanger on. We're gonna take this hanger off. Then I'll be able to weld it all the way around.
Put it up. Oh yeah. Yeah, it look way better, bro.
You don't owe me nothing, babe, but I want your love. I just want some time. I can give you mine. You don't owe me nothing, Brody, but we can run it up. I just hope that you can be somebody that I can trust. Okay? Said I don't ask for much. So if I ask for something, I hope.
See, we're having a little bit of an issue because I've noticed after Extreme did this side, when we got the exhaust cutouts installed, that side hanging a little bit lower than that side. So he's doing his magic to see if we can get them to line up right. Because something to do with all the way back there where they welded it, it's got this whole area right here kind of twisted down.
Shawty cheated, but I ain't gonna trip on the baby cause I don't.
And then yeah, once you put that hanger up.
Yeah, once that hanger go up,
thirsty to beat 'em up. This mic gon' Draco like a microwave. In these streets, if it's beef, we gon' heat it up. Always clutching on something in traffic, roll down the window, let a fuck nigga have. If my son got an issue, we jump in the kid. After that, we gon' fuck up the dad. I learned how to sell weed as a little child, weighing butt on the scale back at Lando House. We'll call him OG, but he was fucking girls my age. That nigga a pedophile. As a kid, I ain't know it was wrong. Now I'm grown, got some kids of my own. Let me find out these fucking on an adult. I'ma kill everybody that know. Chopsticks go black, 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 black. This bitch clap like a rat trap. No opinion when I get to flipping, I'm heating both sides like a flapjack. Do the dash in a scat pack, pull up on niggas like peppers on Rugrats. You the type nigga to switch on your dog by the bitch, like who the fuck does that? Not us. We got too many of them. If she suck me good, I put some titties on it. If she fuck me good like she love me, I pull up on the X and beat up the nigga for a bag. I got you. There's only solid niggas on my roster. We ain't fucking with none of the fake. I heard a nigga been plotting on robbing. I'm clutching his pistol, just sitting here waiting, nigga. Huh? Where the fuck he at? Soon as a nigga leave, we get to clapping at his head like a jumping jack. If it's bread on my head, get your money back. Little bitch, I'm good. I'm at the gas station with my jewelry on, tryna burn a nigga like wood. I swear I wish a fuck nigga would. I'm tryna dump a nigga in the woods. My little young nigga smoke dead off. They tryna stuff a nigga in the woods.
Oh shit, man. See, that's gonna bug me though, but there ain't nothing we can do about that, because if you look, all this whole pipe right here is bent differently. So I went ahead and I think these are 4-inch. We ain't even check, I ain't gonna lie. These are the only ones that we actually had in stock that was gonna match the car. So you see like right there, they got some titanium tip ones and stuff like that, but I didn't really wanna go like that. I mean, it ain't the best, but boy, it looked better than it did before, that's for sure. We just gotta figure something out on this side. It look better though. Y'all can't say it don't. They don't look bad though, shit. Yeah, that's the only thing, they don't get hot back here because where the exhaust cuts out in the center, all this shit back here stays cool still. So you can touch it even after I just go off the highway type shit.
I ain't touching my butt for it.
We gotta fix this, this came off. Hey, it looked better than before, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't tripping. That one sticks in just a little bit, but that's because we had to do the most to make this one try and match up with that one. I get a little final little look, man. So y'all can see. So y'all can see a little before and after. Oh, hey, why you think I parked right here, man? You know, gotta show the thing. Yes, sir. Yeah, they look good. And then when you look at it from the side, that shit look way better. Yeah, I fuck with it. All right, y'all. I appreciate it, man.
All right, bro. I'll take it easy.
Yeah, make sure you check them out, man. Wayne Tire and Auto out here on Wayne Avenue, Dayton, Ohio. They definitely gonna take care of you. Damn, y'all, look like I just pulled up next to. This is probably the first one in blue that I've ever seen, bro. They're always red. Like always. That shit looks good. That shit looks good, bro. I haven't seen a red or a blue one ever. They're always in red when I see them. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We finally got some exhaust tips installed. They're not the ones that we were wanting, or like I really wanted some 5-inch, but we had to end up settling for some 4-inch just for right now. But it's okay, we're gonna add some 5-inch here shortly, man. So just stay with me. I just needed some exhaust tips, that way we could actually have some, so it didn't look so weird back there with the diffuser and stuff. And because Cars and Coffee is coming up in about 2 weeks now, I definitely can't wait for that. So we're just gonna keep adding stuff to the car, getting it ready for the Cars and Coffee season. But like I said, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on my next video.